If you're still doing everything by hand in the kitchen, you're wasting way too much time. Today, we're looking at 10 new smart Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2026 that take the guesswork out of meal prep, automate the tedious tasks, and make cooking genuinely effortless. From precision cooking tools to clever countertop upgrades. Number 1 is the electric food steamer. This double-decker system is designed to streamline your entire dinner prep into a single set-it-and-forget-it workflow. With a spacious 5-quart capacity split across 2 clear tiers, you can steam fresh greens on the top tray while gently cooking fish, chicken, or dumplings below at the exact same time. Operation is completely effortless. You just fill the base reservoir, dial in the integrated 60-minute timer, and let the unit handle the precision heating. It delivers rapid, even steam throughout both levels, and automatically shuts down once the cycle is complete. It delivers healthy, nutrient-rich multi-course meals on total autopilot with virtually zero cleanup. Coming in at number 2 is the Housewares Arepa Maker. Making uniform mini pancakes, cookies, tortillas, or authentic arepas on a regular skillet usually means messy batter and requires constant flipping. This multi-cavity press solves that by baking up to 6 perfect portions at the same time. And the dual non-stick plates cook both sides with 0 oil. It has built-in indicator lights that ensure optimal baking temperatures every cycle. When finished, it wipes clean instantly and stores upright to save cabinet space. It helps to produce perfectly shaped snacks and breakfast favorites. Number 3 is the Chefman Deep Fryer. Deep frying on a regular stovetop usually means inconsistent oil temperature, dangerous grease splatters, and a lingering fried smell across your home. This countertop unit gives you restaurant-quality precision. It has an adjustable temperature dial and timer to keep your oil at the exact heat for food required. The lid gives clear visibility, and an odor filter to stop splatter, and a dishwasher-safe basket make cleanup completely painless. It gives you restaurant-grade flavor without the dangerous oil splatters or kitchen mess. Number 4 is the electric panini press and indoor grill. Making cafe-quality pressed sandwiches or searing burgers on a regular pan usually means crushed bread and messy stovetop grease. This smart 2-in-1 press features a floating hinge that automatically adjusts to any sandwich thickness for even golden browning. The entire unit opens flat 180 degrees into an indoor tabletop grill for burgers, steaks, and veggies. Non-stick plates ensure quick food release, while the integrated drip tray catches excess runoff. It gives you cafe-style toasted paninis and indoor grilling in one compact, easy clean unit. Number 5 is the non-stick granite pan. Making uniform breakfast sandwiches or cooking eggs alongside burger patties in a regular skillet usually turns into a mess. This smart divided pan features 4 dedicated circular cooking zones engineered for precision portioning. It delivers heat across all 4 cups on both gas and induction. The rivetless design prevents food buildup, letting you wipe it clean in seconds. It lets you cook perfectly rounded breakfast sandwiches and multi-item meals simultaneously. Number 6 is the multi-use stock pot. Draining hot pasta or veggies usually turns into an annoying juggling act between a heavy pot and a bulky colander in a steaming sink. This stainless steel pot cuts out the extra dishes with a built-in locking strainer lid. You just cook your food, lock the stay-cool handles in place, and pour the hot water straight down the drain without losing a single noodle. The heavy base heats up fast and works on any stove. It lets you boil, steam, and drain everything in one pot with 0 mess. Coming in at number 7 is the Programmable slow cooker. Cooking a hearty home-cooked meal on a packed schedule usually means standing over a hot stove when you'd rather just relax. This sleek 6-quart cooker takes care of dinner while you go about your day. Just toss in your ingredients, set the digital timer for up to 20 hours, and let it work its magic. When the cook cycle is done, it automatically switches to warm mode so your dinner stays hot until you're ready to eat. Plus, the removable ceramic bowl cleans up in seconds. It serves up tender, slow-cooked meals on your schedule with almost 0 effort. Number 8 is the glass honey dispenser. Pouring honey or maple syrup straight from the bottle always turns into a sticky, dripping mess on your countertops and breakfast table. This clever dispenser fixes that with a smart bottom flow trigger design. You just hold it over your pancakes, oatmeal, or tea. Press the top thumb lever, and a stream dispenses instantly from the bottom. The second you release the trigger, it seals completely shut with 0 drips. It even comes with a dedicated glass stand to keep your table spotless. It lets you drizzle honey and syrup with total control and 0 sticky cleanup. Next up at number 9 is the Burger Master. Forming raw burger patties by hand is a greasy nightmare, and stacking them in the freezer always turns into one giant, frozen brick of meat. This smart silicone mold makes BBQ prep shockingly easy. Just drop your seasoned ground meat in the middle, press the lid down, and it instantly cuts and seals 8 perfect quarter-pound burgers in their own compartments. Freeze the whole tray and pop them out one by one directly onto a sizzling grill. It turns messy burger prep into a total 5-minute breeze. Number 10 is the clear acrylic cutting board. Bulky wooden cutting boards always clutter your counter, and sliding around while you chop is an accident waiting to happen. This ultra-sleek acrylic board solves that with a built-in counter lip that locks against the edge of your countertop, keeping it dead still while you slice. The crystal clear acrylic lets your beautiful counter show through while shielding it from scratches, spills, and knife marks. All the product links mentioned in this video are linked in the description below so you can check them out. If you found your next favorite kitchen upgrade, hit that like button, subscribe for more smart tech and gadget roundups, and drop a comment letting us know which one you're adding to your cart first. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.